It's on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with the scoop. My friends, I hope you've enjoyed our bonus coverage from CES. We've been doing our thing here the past couple days. I'll have the cars for you coming up. I'll also have the robots for you coming up. Stay tuned for that, my friends. You're gonna enjoy that coverage. Also, on Sunday, I'll be telling you about my #1 indicator that I'm using to trade stocks like OWCP. They get you in, they get you out, my friends. This is my #1 indicator working in this particular market right now. Once again, thank you for joining me. It's your first time joining us. We talk about marijuana stocks, we talk about your investments, we talk about cannabis stocks, my friends. I want to thank you very, very much. It's been fun. It's been just another year. You guys know we've been to the conferences, we've been at the money shows, we've been at the trader shows, we've been at all these different shows. This has been for your education and your entertainment purposes only, my friends. I'm not a stockbroker, I'm not a money manager. This is going to cut off on me here in a second, but I'm glad you enjoyed it. I want you and your family to have a great time. Once again, don't miss that show on Sunday where I'll have that indicator for you that you can use, that we can use next week. What OWCP is doing, you know, we think it's going to dip down, and we think it's going to go ahead and cover that area that we've been talking about here for a week and a half or so. It's going to fill that gap, but we know not all gaps are filled. I know somebody sent me a video or something. I couldn't put the comment up. I had to delete it because it had a link in it, and YouTube is really getting down on that, my friends. You send me a link and it's some kid or something, and I don't look at it or something. I'm in deep hot water, man. Not I open your link and it's on my computer and all that stuff. So just get rid of all that stuff, my friends. But I'm glad you guys enjoyed the coverage. Like I said, you don't want to miss these cars, and you don't want to miss these robots coming up. There's going to be 2 separate videos. You don't want to miss that. And you don't want to miss Sunday also, where I will have my #1 indicator. Hopefully I can get that to you Sunday morning, and you'll have it the whole day to where you can take a look at it as you enjoy family football and friends with you, your family, and everyone else, my friends. You're spending some time with my family, my mom and dad, doing my thing, family, do the family thing on the weekends and stuff. But my friends, it's been fun. There's been a lot here. We did come out of here with one stock, one company that we're going to keep an eye on. They were an award-winning company here, and a lot of times, if it's just one company, during the 1990s, I traded the .coms. I made a fortune in America Online. Just one company, one stock that I picked up. I believe it was around 25 cents, and I rolled with that thing, man. That thing went up to $50 and split, and went up again and split. Sometimes split twice a year. Plenty of money there's plenty to go around, my friends. There's plenty to go around. There's nobody needs to be greedy or anything. It's all here, and it's fun. It's fun, and it is what it is, my friends. Let's enjoy the moment. Let's enjoy these trades. Let's make them count. Even if it's one stock we trade the entire year. We know that stock up and down, my friends, just like I did in the 90s and when I was trading AOL, America Online. I do that stock up and down. The day it opened up, and stocks have different attitudes and stuff, and you have to learn that stock. And once you learn that stock, my friends, you really know what's going on with that company on a day-to-day basis. You know if you're going to be able to get in that day and make some profits, or you're going to have to get out, or you're going to have to do, what direction you're going to have to go in when you learn that stock and you learn the personality of that stock, because stocks do have somewhat of personalities and stuff, and you can learn them. You can learn them, and we're expecting OWCP to do the same thing it did in 2017. We expect these gyrations up and down, this crazy stuff, but there are certain times when we got to catch it as it's making that big move up and big move down. But now they have something concrete. They have a patent. They're working on hand loads. In fact, when I went home yesterday, after we drove from the conference here, the CES show, I stopped by a store, and I got, it was only like $1. I got some lotion, right? That was hemp lotion, coconut oil, and it was water-based, and it was nice on my hands and stuff. It was really nice. And I said, this is really the future here with these lotions that are you know, and that's where OWCP is. OWCP is in that area. Now, I'm not pushing them in any way, shape, or form. I want you to know, I'm not a stockbroker, I'm not a money manager, I'm an author. So my books, like I said, I'll have links for you at the end of the video here. You can go to the description, you can take a look at those links. In fact, I still have some of those books that I was telling you about with Amazon, some of those audio books I can get to you, and you guys can have those. But the main thing I want you to do, my friends, is listen to, take a look at the cars, take a look at the robot. You're gonna get a look into the future of what's happening, my friends. Maybe in 5 years or so, just like we were talking about autonomous cars 5 years ago, people driverless cars and stuff, they're on the road right now. There are more than you know, man, my friends, out there right now. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a great day. Bye-bye.